What's up, guys? Today we're at the International Airport, Guam International Airport, AB1 path. I'm going to show you Lotte inside, Lotte Duty Free, and this virtual tour of this airport, starting off from the food court. Let's go check it out. In front of me we have 10 Tekomai, and we'll go ahead and check out the rest. Give it a walk, you know. I'll try to face everything. This one is Guam's best coffee. Micronesian munchies serving. Oh, okay. Guam's best coffee. Then Domino's. And again, this like little onigiri spot that they have. They sell some curry, some musubis, and some Korean style sushi, inaris, and more. And then they have Burger King. Burger King over here, and Big Nama right on my right. They sell hot dogs and all this cool stuff. We're gonna keep it going. This one's interesting. Tatawa. That means like to laugh in Filipino. But this is the food court. They call it Star Avenue, and this is where you can see the departures up there. We're gonna go ahead and just do this ASMR now, but yeah, this is Lotte Duty Free. Guam Cultural Center. This is actually cool because there's some historic pictures. I think this is from like EOG, but this is very cool. There's like some little pictures showing the heritage and the culture of Guam and the villages on each side. Historic village of Inalahan, Seafarers, and Tautauta. Guam Cultural Center. Let's go check out. They even have these cool laddie stones. So if you're leaving Guam and you want to get someone a souvenir, I would say this place is the best place to go. They have like I Love Guam stuff from Crown. Natural bath and body care. Very cool. And then of course Chief Kapua. Let's see what else they have. Oh, there's a replica right there in front of me of Two Lovers Point. These are really good t-shirts here, the Guam beer t-shirts. They're like quick dry, the Island King. Perfect for the weather. And more. Alright, they also have drinks, $3 each, something you'd expect at a airport. And all these other stuff. Shot glasses. Laddie stone, wow, this is cool. Laddie stone mug, beer, glass, some tote bags, and keychains. Oh, these are cool. Beer opener magnets. You always need this for the fridge. And I like these. These are so nostalgic. Oh, they even have plates. Not bad. Hi. Just checking out your stuff. I don't see this on island, just probably only here. Yeah, it's cool. Oh, they even have a replica of Gadao, Chief Gadao Cave. That's located in Inarahan of Guam. These are cool biscuits. They're like the Jinbis biscuits that are covered in chocolate, Japanese style. And my favorite thing to recommend as a gift if you're leaving Guam, chomo chip cookies, macadamia. These are pretty pricey here. They're usually like $6, $7. Over here it's like 10 bucks. Then of course tita gujarias and some honey and some sea salt, Guam coffee, and more. Okay, this is the cultural shopette here at Lotte Duty Free. We're gonna go ahead and continue on this virtual tour, ASMR style. I just want to give you that tour. Let's go check it out. This is the way to gate 4 and 8. Looks like Gucci's under renovation. Burberry, Coach. These are high-end brands, and of course Guam has Victoria's Secret, but only here in the airport, and I think the base. This is Marc Jacobs over here as well, and Longchamp. There is also this little shopette on this side. There's Ramen Ya here, and Oasis. This is Grab and Go. This would be a part of the restaurants. So if you're entering, it would be on your right side. There's some cool snacks and all that. Clippers Lounge. This used to be connected with Ben and Yan's, kind of. It's a cool little bar, but I've never seen it open ever since. I think because, you know, pandemic. So right now at this moment, we're heading towards the right side of the airport. The Sagan Bisita Lounge across gate 7. So I guess there is a lounge here, but I guess it's under renovation. So yeah, this is a virtual tour of the airports. Remember, this is gate 6 through, I forgot, 7, and then the back over there would be, I think, 8 through 21. So this is Sagan Bisita Lounge as well. I think you need to be a member. Something I've never seen. This new lounge here. Very interesting. Let's go ask how to get there. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How do I try to check out this lounge? Is it
$55.
for the like an hour or just for the stay? My flight's at 9. I'm just checking it out. Just
2-3 hours.
oh, okay, 2-3 hours limit. That is cool.
Yeah, you can look around first.
Thank you. This is Japan Airlines and cool model airplanes. They're doing food, hot dogs, buffet style. Not bad. And then of course fridge with drinks and hot coffee. I'm not sure what that is. There's probably like amenities. That is okay. Thank you very much. So that was the Sagan Bisita Lounge. We'll continue on of this airport. It's very calm, like kind of cryptic, weird way, because there's like no one here. Feels like the pandemic all over again. But I guess this gates are 4 to 5, just down there. I'm not sure if I'm reading the signs right. Maybe they're still under renovation. But up till 6 I can see. We're gonna go ahead and head back and show you the rest, and then I'll stop this virtual tour of Lotte and the Guam International Airport AB1 PAT tour. So yeah. All right, we're at Victoria's Secret area yet again. Show this tour. All right, this is the cosmetics area of duty-free Lotte duty-free. Adai, they have banana chips, maybe cigarettes up over here on the counter, and Capri's and more, and vitamins. All right, guys, so that was Lotte duty free. Let's continue on with this other part of this video. We're gonna head towards this way, which is the other gates. I know there's supposed to be a United Lounge here. I think it's on more on the right side. We're taking a morning flight, not early morning, but morning flight. So this one is a cool United charging station, 110 volt AC as it says. You can plug a USB and just charge. That is cool. I think I've passed the lounge, but I don't know. So this is the gates 9 through 21. And over here is also the US Customs Border and Protection. We're gonna go ahead and walk. There's not that much videos of this. I've done one tour of this place, I think last year, but there's not much. I don't really care for these I guess stand escalators, because I walk pretty fast. Hopefully I'm not too shaky on this POV camera tour, and I hope you guys are still enjoying. We're gonna go ahead and walk all the way down. This is the lounge. I just passed it. We're gonna go ahead and pop in. We'll show you how this one looks like.
Your boarding pass?
I just want to see how it looks like.
Just down right here and then
Up. Okay. Thank you very much. Ah, okay. I guess there's buffet stuff over too. Thank you very much. So that was the United Club. I'm not a frequent traveler flyer, but hopefully you like that little cool stuff. I know there's also like foods and stuff, like buffet style. All right. We'll go ahead to our gate now. But I hope you guys are enjoying this cool virtual tour of the Guam International Airport, AB Wonpat Airport here on Guam. And also like Lotte duty-free tour. There's cool paintings out here. All of Guam comes out July 21st for the Liberation Day Parade. That is very true. That's a great painting. And also this one. Some paintings you don't really see all throughout. Wow. So we're here at like gate 12. Looks like there's a cool Filipino style tuk-tuk or tricycle. The sky is my playground. I think this is from like Captain Kidd.
The curbside white zone in front of you is only for active loading and unloading. Unattended vehicles will be towed away and operators will be ticketed.
These have been these cool, what is the southern tip of Guam, mestizas and outdoor kitchens. That's very interesting because that is true. We used to kind of have like the skirts and mestizas dressed like that, mestizas. Even like a Filipino culture, but now I think we don't dress like that. Only on special occasions for like fiestas and or like, I guess like church stuff. It's interesting. Over here there's I guess used to be telephones, and now it's charging stations if you need to charge and use power. This is interesting. So if you had your own water, you can, or water bottle or hydro flask, you can use this one from the landfill. Very interesting. And I guess you step on that pedal. Nice. All right, so we just saw that water stuff. Over here it looks like there was a lounge again called Flyers, and some cool architectural artwork up there. I don't know if you could see it. And then I guess this also was called Last Chance Duty Free Souvenirs and Snacks. Lotte Duty Free right here. And then we have the gates 17, 19, 21, 20, 18, and 16. We're gonna loop around and then we'll end this video. Thank you guys for joining me on this virtual ASMR, not really ASMR, but virtual tour of Guam's International Airport AB One Pat and Duty Free by Lotte. Lotte Duty Free.